I haven't. Did I not? Wait.
You got him. You got him.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Real.
Okay.
No.
Stop.
Oh no. I can hook on the ground.
Oh, yep.
You got him.
I got a fish.
You got him.
Yay! That's so exciting.
Here.
Okay. How do I... That's so cool.
How big do you think it is?
I have no idea.
No idea.
I don't know.
Well, let's see how big she is. You gotta go. That is a 9er. You can keep that thing and eat it if you want.
Where do I put it?
Toss it outside.
Just right up there? Oh, no. Sorry. Okay.
Right in the mouth. And chicken.
Okay.
And chicken, yeah.
And I just throw it outside?
Yeah, you toss it, open up the window and toss it right out the window or open up the door, whatever.
I caught one. Oh, I feel bad. Not that I caught it, but that I just chucked it out the window.
Oh my god, there's 3 over there?
Mm-hmm. That big one just split off.
Yep, just like that, Hit it. Yep.
Okay.
Pull it back towards you. There you go.
Yay. Oh, he didn't even get to eat.
He's gonna die anyway.
The bait is gonna die?
No, him.
Oh.
You're gonna eat him, right?
Well, yeah. I mean...
Number what?
2?
Number 2. It's bigger than the first one, isn't it?
I think so. It looks...
I haven't caught a single one yet. She's killing it over there, though. Killing it.
Awesome.
So how excited are you now?
I'm pretty excited. Pretty awesome.
And she's scared of the ice. Scared of the ice. Out here catching all the fish.
I deserve that. I was so brave.
Oh yeah. Don't move it.
Obviously, I really hope that he doesn't. That would be really
Don't move it.
shitty, actually. Okay.
Nope, he's mate. He lives again. Hold it up for the camera.
Like that.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
Is my bait dead? When do they consider the ice safe to like be on, like yourself, a person?
I'm gonna say like 5.
What? They say 5 and you go on 2?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That's a massive difference.
Wow. That's like safe, though. That's like 5 safe, you know?
Yeah, safe is, oh my god. Seriously, that's the difference?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And how deep is the water that you go on when it's only 2 inches?
Depends how far out 2 inches goes.
Oh my god.
Oh. Can't control that.
Why are you just so nonchalant about it? Like, it's no big deal to go on 2 inches of ice, and they don't even recommend a person goes on until 5 inches.
That's like 4 or 5 or maybe 3, I don't know.
Definitely not 2 though, right?
No, probably not 2.
Oh my god. Hi. You're a fucking crazy person, and you're gonna make me a crazy person. I just know it. Oh my god.
Oh, you're already contemplating going out on 2 inches of ice?
Absolutely not. No, I'm not. I will be a crazy person when you try to go out on 2 inches of ice. I'm like terrified for you. Oh my god.
That's for the rest of the night. First one in like 3 weeks. She's been catching them all. And my brother. Not me though. Oh no. Yeah, she's the killer right there. She's the killer. Alright, listen to this one. Get him?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you as happy as you were last time?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Every time.
Still pretty awesome. Oh no, it might be a 9er. Let's measure that.
Teeth are in my fingers.
Oh no, no.
Want me to turn this?
Sure. Little babies today. It's almost a Forest Lake special. Still a little bit bigger, I think. Slightly.